Besties, come spend a day with your girl. So, girl, me and my mom and my sister is going to Texas Roadhouse and just to have a little fun day, girl. So let's get ready. So, girl, the shirt of the day is my pink Alabama shirt, girl. You know, I had to pick out the scent of the day, which is Kylan Khaki Fruit, girl. So we went there first, girl, and they were super packed. So we went to Five and Below and killed some time, girl. And you know, I had to go there anyway because I need me a new cup because my old cup had mold in it, girl. And you know, I stayed drinking water, girl. But girl, Five Below can have such cute tumblers, girl. And then we checked out and went back to Texas Roadhouse, girl. When I tell you there was packed, bitch, I mean there was packed. And girl, I get the hype about these rolls. Girl, them rolls were so buttery and soft, just like me, girl. They were delicious, girl. And I had to Google a T-bone steak because I didn't know how big it was, girl. But that steak was freaking off the chain, and their mac and cheese was off the chain, and their blueberry lemonade bestie was off the chain, bestie. And then I had to go to the mall, girl, because I had to pick up my Bath and Body Works pickup haul, girl. And then we had some insomnia cookie, girl, because this week crumble was not crumbling, girl. Vegan birthday cake with ice cream is that, girl. And then I had to stop by Dollar Tree, girl, because I need some more water packets. And then they had some dupes there, bestie. And then we had to stop by Winn Dixie, girl. And that's all. Bye, bestie.